Hi, my name's Sophie.
And I'm Cecilia. This is GMOs.
GMO stands for Genetically Modified Organism. A GMO is an organism that is modified through gene transmission in order to achieve some desirable trait, such as drought resistance or higher yields. In the context of this course, you will mainly be looking at how crops are affected through genetic modification. GMOs are able to grow in more severe weather conditions and produce higher yields. Thus, they are often used to produce more food in developing countries where populations grow more rapidly and are often malnourished. Throughout history, GMOs were produced in one of three ways. Thousands of years ago, when our ancestors first developed agriculture, they used selective breeding to modify organisms. This was seen in species such as the dog. In the 1920s, the process of mutagenesis was developed. Mutagenesis involved treating organisms with chemicals or gamma radiation and using the survivors with desired traits for their products. Finally, in the 1970s, modern genetic engineering was developed. Modern genetic engineering is what we now associate with GMOs. This involves transferring genetic material from one organism to another by literally cutting it out of one and placing it into the other.
In 1992, the Food and Drug Administration claimed they had no information showing that genetically modified foods were substantially different from conventionally grown foods. Therefore, they are safe to eat, and absolutely no safety studies were required. But internal memos made public by a lawsuit reveal that their position was staged by political representatives who were under orders from the White House to promote GMOs. In addition, the FDA official in charge of creating this policy was Michael Taylor, the former attorney for the largest biotech company, and later their vice president. In reality, FDA scientists had repeatedly warned that GM foods can create unpredictable, hard-to-detect side effects, including allergies, toxins, new diseases, and nutritional problems. They urged long-term safety studies, but were ignored. Today, the same biotech companies who have been found guilty of hiding toxic effects of their chemical products are in charge of determining whether their genetically modified foods are safe. Industry-funded GMO safety studies are too superficial to find most of the potential dangers, and their voluntary consultations with the FDA are widely criticized as a meaningless facade.